Alright, hello everybody. I hope you're all doing well. I thought that this would be a slightly more interesting way to give you the solutions for the assigned problems. So here is the solution for problem number 1. So we have a student body president election. We have the votes for each candidate ranked in order from first choice to fourth choice. We have 4 candidates. And the question is whether Bordas method and the majority ballot gives us the same result. So I guess first we should check maybe the majority method because it is a little bit easier. So it looks by first glance that if anybody has a majority, it's going to be Pat because she has 165 votes. We need to make sure that that is enough for a majority win. So let's add up the votes. So the total number of votes, if we add those 4 numbers up together, you get that it's 325. The number of votes that's needed for a majority win. So 325 divided by 2 is 162.5. So in order to have more than half, we need to round that up. So it would require 163 votes. So then, since Pat has 165 votes, we know that Pat wins the majority ballot. Okay, so now we need to see if Pat also wins using the Borda method. So since we have, I'll try to keep it on the screen, we have 4 candidates, so I know that for Borda's method, let's start a new title here. So I know that, my first place vote is going to give me 4 points. Second place will give me 3. Third place will give me 2. And fourth place will give me 1 point. So let's do one person at a time. Let's start with Mary, since she's the first in the first column. So Mary, we can see, so she has 95 first place votes. So we'll do 4 times 95 to get her second place votes. Well, she doesn't have any, right? So 0. Her third place votes, third choice votes, well, she's got 165 from the third column and 23 from the fourth column. So together that's 188 votes. And she's got 42 fourth place. If you add that up, it gives a total of 798 points. Next we'll do Tim. Tim has 23 first place votes. He has, for second place votes, well, there's the 95 plus the 42. So that's 137 second place votes. Tim does not have any third place votes. And for fourth place votes, he has 165. We add that up, and the grand total is 668. Excellent. Bill, let's add up his votes. So how many first place? Well, he's got 42. For third place, he has for second place, he has 165. For third place, he has 95. And for fourth place, he has 23. We add that up and we get 876. And finally, Pat, our big contender, she's got 165 first place votes. She has 23 second place votes. She has 42 third place votes, and she has 95 fourth place votes. That gives her a total of 908 points. Notice that this is the greatest number of points out of anyone. So Pat wins using the border method. Therefore, Pat wins using either of our two methods. Okay, that's it.